Hey, it's the Rejuvenator guy. I'm trying to get this video marathon thing going here. Still keep it going. I've got a watermelon here today. I'm about to make some watermelon juice. Just looking good. They've been just popping. These watermelons have just been binging, banging. Love it, dude. Love me some watermelon juice. Nothing more refreshing. I never get hungry, but man, I get thirsty. And right now I am thirsty. I have just gotten back from a hot yoga class, baby. Woo! It was a sweaty one today. I don't know why it seemed a little bit hotter, but each teacher kind of sets it up in a different way. I'm trying to, this isn't organic, right? So what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning off the top layer just to get rid of anything like that. But then I'm trying to leave, you know, this white part got a lot of nutrition in it. Now, if I had organic watermelons, you know, I would just leave that on there sometimes, not all the time. It just depends on what you want. But this living and distilled water in these fruits is a solvent, and the world is kind of backed up and clogged up, and they need to get some serious detoxification action going. That is some damn good looking watermelon, boy. So nice. Can you dig it, baby? Look at that, fresh. So what I got my little tricksy here today, I'm gonna do it, making my little videos all day, trying to say something about something, but really ain't saying nothing about nothing. Can you dig it? So that's that. I'm gonna save some of these squares because I wanna do a little, I found a new way to really utilize the herbs to create some wonderful little colon cleanser cubes, you know. So I'm gonna just juice up the rest of this here, but I wanted to save some of these little fatties for myself. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do if you hang around for a minute. Boom. Delicious. Dude, I'm so thirsty. Oh my God. I didn't realize it until I took that bite. I was sweating, but I'm already I had some herbal tea, and then I had some herbal tea, and then I had some water. So that's where I'm at so far with my liquid intake. I got the order of the Kauai Pharmacy herbs because I was needing some of the good old Kauai vibes. Can you dig it? In fact, I'm stocking up. I was telling everybody about on the last video that I made about my bug out bag. I'm also getting ready for, I'm stocking up on herbs and medicines as well. Oh yeah, baby. So I'm just really getting ready, man. It's cool, man. But everything, all my herbs and stuff will fit into one box. One good sized box. You know, I'll get like a tub, a bug out tub, you know, but anyways, it's a touchy subject. I'm just saying, you know, I'm not really like, it's just, you know, I don't think we've seen the end of the weirdness. You know what I mean? Because these people are weird, man. I mean, they're easy to predict. But the problem is that if there was more of us, but the thing is like, you know, you heard about the truckers in Canada, right? And then the dude's like, you know, Trudeau, he's like, oh, it's a fringe thing. It's like, actually, it's the majority of people. And you might want to think about having food on yourselves, you know. But whatever, dude, they've really pulled a fast one on a lot of people. And, you know, I don't know. Around here, these parts, they don't really buy into it as much. So I'm glad to be around people and stuff. And then other people are like, don't even talk about it on your videos or whatever. And I'm just like, I don't know. It's just kind of like what's local. I mean, what's, you know, happening, current events, you know. Current events, dude. So, you know, be healthy. Make sure you're staying healthy. And there's a million ways to do that. Everyone has their own different opinions. you know, but most of the young people, they do okay for a while, but then eventually it does catch up, you know, all the habits and stuff. And so they're able to say, well, I'm healthy, you know, but really it does catch up in the long run, the minutiae, the details, the buildup of the waste matter, the rubber in the gut. That's why I like to. So what I found is to, whoa, cool. I take the cleanse to cleanse to make these little cleanser bombs, because with the watermelon and the cleanse, the watermelon is just an amazing cleanser. If you've ever done a watermelon cleanse, you'll be like, damn, that ain't watermelon, you know? Combined with the cleanse, now you got a recipe for, because it's just herbs, you know? I love herbs, man. Well, herbs and psyllium husk. So then you make a little thing, and there you go. And I figured that out the other day. I was like, legit. And then you just get it in there, and it's like purple. After a while, though, the cleanse kind of starts to taste good. It's weird, but it's got a nice bitter to it. You know, and the bitter herbs are the astringent herbs in nature, and nobody eats herbs anymore. They're like, oh, I don't like that. I'll take a cheeseburger. You know, so nobody ever gets the tonifying, regenerative effects of those astringent herbs anymore. Too bad for them. Lemon and watermelon, dude. A tonic. Yeah, so there's like this, so the truckers, man, they're just like, and then you can see Trudeau, he's like, oh crap, man, he's crapping in his pants. He knows, they know it's not working. But some of these guys are seriously megalomaniacs, you know, some of these governors and politicians, and they just think they're Adonis, you know, gods that should rule, and they're totally delusional. They have no idea how it works, because how it ends up historically is that their head is on the spike, and they're going, oops, you know, this is not happening to me, I'm the king. It's like, you were, now you ain't anymore, because you done tried to screw us over. You should have been a loving and benevolent king, but you were a scumbag dictator. Okay? Not that I wish for anyone's heads on a spike, but come on, man. I just wish for the truth to come out. And it will. It always does. Uh-oh. A little bit short on 2 quarts. Oh, well. Let's see. We have no jars except for the ones that are in here that are clean, dude. I'll have my little drink, and then we'll make a little, say adios. It's just, I don't even know what I was talking about. I'm just trying to keep these videos going. Some of them are better than others, you know, if I'm more focused or whatever. I don't really care what anyone does, you know. Anyhow, that's just like, and then I'm going to take it and take a drink, and it's just delicious. Oh, so thirsty after hot yoga. So stay hydrated and be prepared for anything. Get healthy, because health is the cure for all disease. What makes me be able to say that is because you cannot be healthy and sick at the same time. You can be only one or the other. And you can only be moving towards one or the other. Can you dig it? Because nothing in this universe stays stagnant. It's either latent illnesses, or you're moving in the direction of refinement, purification, and regeneration, which I highly recommend. Can you dig it? 10 minutes. Knocking them out, DTM. Killing it. Peace.